the model is and how it works.
Absolutely. So what happens is somebody comes to us, they say, hey, I want to be a wash engineer. I want a simple car wash in Houston, for example. They come to us, they pay a fee for training. So we have an A+ certification program for all of our wash engineers that's required. So they go through a training, and then we supply them with the supplies that they need. So they would have our solution, they would use our microfiber cloth and things of that nature, our mobile app and those things. So it's basically a business in a box with a low barrier to entry. So, you know, we all know a franchise here is $100,000 plus. This is more on the $2,000 range.
And no ongoing fees?
No ongoing fees.
No royalties, no...
No, we make revenue based on them continuing to order products and continuing to order supplies from us. So that's going to be one of the stipulations. You must order your supplies from us. And quite frankly, the price that we get this right now is way less than anything that anybody on an individual basis can get themselves.
And that's not your unique formula you're buying?
No, this is our unique formula now.
Okay. So you have...
Yes, we have our own unique formula because we found that the formulas that are out there, they don't work in this area because their freezing point is too high. So we made our own. We have a manufacturer who does it for us. We don't have to plan or anything like that, but that's ours.
I want to make sure I understand the business model. So it's setting an individual up to be in the car wash business, and they're going to people's driveways and doing this.
Absolutely, phase 2, but phase 1 is this.
Right.
Just not to be speak. Yes, absolutely.
And what's unique beyond that is what's in that bottle.
Absolutely.
What's unique about what's in that bottle?
Well, I'm not at liberty to say exactly what's in the bottle just because I don't have a patent or anything on it. But there's a polymer in there that helps put a protective coating on the car. There's some different properties that lift up the dirt, it encapsulates it, and then there's also some anti-freezing properties in there as well that the other waterless wash manufacturers don't use in their products.
Okay, so you said that you've washed 500 cars to date, and so you've already kind of gone through the process a little bit here. But now you're saying that you need $8,000 for a mobile or a web app. How are you coordinating the car washes at this point? Like, if I wanted to have my car washed, how does that happen?
So we have a website, we use a third-party appointment scheduler, and quite frankly, they just don't really work for what we're trying to do. All those appointment schedulers out there are made for hair salons, dog groomers, those sorts of people, and it just doesn't work for us. So that's what we use right now, or you can call me on the phone now, go online and use our schedule as well.
And I know that you said that your target audience is women. Why is that? Why women more than anybody else?
Sure. Women care about how their cars look. So men care about having, and this is very stereotyping right now, no offense to anyone. So women like their appearance. They like having a clean car. They take the time to make appointments for things like this. They take the time to make themselves look good. And men just want quick, fast, easy, whatever, in, out, done. So I think as we roll into this mobile app and as we streamline our processes a lot more, that we'll probably pull in more men and younger people. But right now, because of the way the process is, we mostly get women 35 to 55.
And just one more question about the process. So if someone contacted you today to have their car washed, is there a certain radius that you operate within, or?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's $20 for sedan, $25 for a crossover, $30 for an SUV. That's just for an exterior or an interior wash, and you just double those numbers if you want both. So the 520 washes that I mentioned before, that one wash is either exterior or interior. So some cars got both, but that would count as 2 washes, just for the purposes of measuring out solutions and things like that.
Sure, but as far as how far your team will travel, will they travel very far to do this?
Sure. I mean, we've gone as far as Huntington for multiple vehicles, but on an individual basis, we typically stay in State College. We don't normally get calls outside of the State College area for the most part.
Thank you.
Yep.
So if I signed up as one of these affiliate, and I was in a town like Harrisburg, you know, it's a decent sized city, but it's not a huge city. And I wanted to do this, like this was going to be my full-time job. How much money would you say I could make doing this?
You know, it really depends on how much work you're going to put into it.
I'm going to work at 40 hours a week.
Okay,
50
you're going to
weeks.
work 40, yeah.
Yeah, it's my full-time job.
Yeah, you'll easily make 30 an hour. If you have constant overturn, if you're doing multiple cars, you can do at most 4 cars an hour.